Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to add music in CapCut. So let's head over to our CapCut application. Once you're there, head over to a new project or just start the previous project. And once you're there, as you can see, I have already added a sound right here, so I'm deleting it. Let me show you how I can add any music to this video. So what I will do is head over to the sound section. And in here you'll find lots of videos that will be recommended by um CapCut. And if you have a TikTok account linked with your CapCut, you will find your songs right here. And if you have any saved songs in your CapCut, you will find it in here. There might be songs in your phone's library that you have extracted, and you will find it in this extracted or like this in device section. So I'm heading over to the recommended section, and here I will just add to the end this song. And in the end, so as you can see, this song I've already downloaded. I will just tap on the plus icon, as you can see, the song is added to my video. And as the song, you can see, goes much more than my video length, so I will just cut it right in here according to my video length, and just tap on split. And here this tap on this extra part and tap on delete, and the extra part is deleted. And now this song will play along with your video. And yeah, this is how you can just add your music in CapCut. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.